Hi Crypto Kings and Queens, we're looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. I'm still having the key levels or 2 key levels left since yesterday at 51,610 and 49,610. We are on our way up to that level, but if we're looking at the higher time frames, we're also having the market still below the trend line, and as long as we're below the trend line, the market could potentially slowly start to continue to go back down. But what I did take is that I did take a Fibonacci from the push that we did have from the downside before to the lowest point, and we can see how the Fibonacci is just combined with the key levels that I did have. If we see the market coming up to these key levels combined with the Fibonacci levels, also combined with the trend line, to see the market reverse from this level and come back down to 40,900 for me is high probability. Remember, this is the previous higher low that we do have. If the market comes back down to this level, we are still in a uptrend. Right now, I'm super focused on 51,610 and 49,610 and see how the market is going to behave around that level. But obviously, if we see huge momentum against these levels, the levels might not be accurate, but if we start to see the market having trouble to breaking it, that could definitely take us back down to 40,900 again.